This is part one video on setting up your ePortfolio in Project Share. Today we're going to talk about welcome notes and also setting up your contact info. So after you've logged in, you'll notice you have all of these menu items on the left side. The one we're going to focus on today is called My ePortfolio. Your ePortfolio is essentially your home page about you. It'll be your main contact page for anyone outside of the district as well as inside of the district. And you can see that there's actually a web address right here. If I click on that, I'll get a preview of what my page looks like to the outside world. Pretty blank, got an email address, some things over here that I haven't set up yet. So what we're going to do today is kind of create this page. First thing we're going to do is go to contact info. There you see your name's already pre-populated. You want to go ahead and put in a title as to what job title you have. You'll also want to put in either your school address here for secondary title, or also you could put Eanes ISD. Type in any grades that you may teach, and then under office phone, if you want to, you could put this out there. Know that it comes out by default. Your email is public. You can always change that if you want to uncheck that. I'm going to go and leave these public because really when it says public, that's just for people, pretty much people in the outside world that can see it, as well as Epsilon members and people inside your institution. So it's essentially like checking all those boxes, and it doesn't bother me if people see this outside of Epsilon. Down here there's a little bit more information. This is all optional, so if you wanted to, you could put the location of where your district is. This is always good for making contacts across the country, other people that are using Epsilon. Right now it's mostly used in the state of Texas, however there are a couple of other states that are starting to use it as well. I'm going to go ahead and pick a gender. I'll put my official Eanes ISD address in there. I guess it'd be good to put the county just in case somebody wants to know where Eanes is really in Texas, if they don't know where Austin is. And the zip code's fine. I'm not going to put contact phone or date of birth. And here's an important one. I'm going to go ahead and check hide my ePortfolio from search engines. If you were actually out not working in a school district and you wanted to use this as a way to get found in terms of your resume and things like that, you may want to uncheck this. But for those of us inside the district, you don't want to get a lot of spam and junk mail. So I'm just going to go ahead and hide it, hit update, and there's my contact information. It's been updated. The other thing I'm going to show you today in this part of the video is welcome notes, and this is going to be the note that people see when they go to your profile page right here. And you'll notice, by the way, you do have an address, so you could send this link out if you wanted. I'm going to go ahead and click add a welcome note, and a little WYSIWYG editor comes up. You can actually, basic tools that you would see in a Word document. I'm just going to go ahead and type a real basic one up, welcome, and maybe a little introduction about myself. Or my fictional self in this case. I'll even put in a fictional elementary that could be a part of Eanes ISD. And then I'm going to go ahead and set that as my bio as well, because I don't want to type that twice. And hit save. You could preview it if you wanted to. I want to go ahead and let everyone see it, so I'm going to select all, save it, OK, and there it is. Let's go ahead and take a peek and see what it looks like now that we've done a few changes. So now you see you'll have your profile page set up, name, title, information, got a little welcome note right there. And then in the next video that I'm going to show you, we're going to talk about changing these options on the left side, as well as adding a picture and changing your overall theme.